Meet the weeknight winner. Glossy, garlicky chicken adobo. The Filipino adobo you'll crave on repeat. In 3 minutes, I'll show you how to cook adobo with the best adobo marinade. Minimal prep, max flavor. Thighs or drums keep it juicy. Light soy, any neutral vinegar smashed, not minced, garlic for aroma. Whisk everything in one bowl. This is both your marinade and your braising liquid. Less mess, bigger flavor. Marinate 30 minutes to overnight. Sear skin side down for a deep, savory base. Optional, but worth it. Sauté the garlic, add the marinade, scrape the brown bits, then nestle the chicken skin up. Cover and simmer gently for 20 minutes. Uncover and let it reduce another 15 to 20 minutes. Baste often. When the sauce coats a spoon, you're golden. Balance at the end. Water for salt, a touch of sugar for tang, and a butter swirl for restaurant-style shine. Creamy with coconut milk, spicy with chilies, or sweet-savory with pineapple. Same method, new moods. Serve over garlic rice, add greens, or a fried egg. That glossy soy sauce and vinegar chicken ties the whole plate together. Grab the printable chicken adobo recipe and meal prep tips at thehomecookbible.com. Or don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.